Welcome back, everybody, to Stonk Investor. Before we start, I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Today's side hustle I have is a Turo app. Some of y'all might know about it. If y'all don't, it's a good app where you can, if you have a vehicle, you can rent it out to people, and get some side money. That would be a side hustle, and you'll get you can rent out your car basically. So I think this is a good app that you can make some money out. Just so you can get an idea, this is the app. A Tesla for 87, Fiat for $30, a Dodge Caravan for $39, another Tesla. And yeah, that's basically it. You can list your cars, and I think this is going to be a good side hustle because a lot of rental companies they cut down on their vehicles that they have in storage. The vehicles they have available. So a lot of companies cut down on that. So with that, on the summer days when they come in, it's going to be a lot of demand. For these cars, because a lot of people are going to start vacationing. In my belief. So if you live in a big city, in a coastal city, I was watching Dumb Money Live, I was watching one of their videos, and they were saying that they were having trouble renting out cars, that some cars, like some small Kias, they were going up to $300. So if you're lucky enough to live in a big city and in the coastal area, this would be a very good app where, you can capitalize, if there's a big demand for cars, maybe those $80 cars right now that are renting out, you can probably get $200, a day. So so that's a good side hustle, and if you're lucky enough to live on the coast or something, Washington D.C., Florida, California, congratulations. This is a very good app, Turo app. So yeah, look into it, look more videos, and yeah, it's a good app that I would recommend. So on Wednesdays I do a side hustle. I give out some ideas, maybe of some apps you haven't heard about, and this is a very good app, of what I've seen, so yeah. So yeah, that's all I got for you for now. So like, subscribe, until next time.